Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your sports insurance with AIG, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the official AIG website to start your sports insurance upgrade process. Locate the insurance section on the homepage. Click on the sports insurance option to explore the available plans. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the different coverage options offered. Identify which aspects of your current policy you wish to enhance. Gather relevant personal and sports-related information, such as your current coverage details and any specific needs. Contact AIG's customer service through their live chat or phone number for support. Request a consultation with an insurance representative to discuss your upgrade options. Discuss your current policy and any limitations you are experiencing. Inquire about additional coverage options that could better suit your needs. Ask about the cost implications of upgrading your policy. Review any additional benefits that may come with the upgraded coverage. Take notes during your conversation for future reference. After understanding your options, decide on the upgrades you wish to pursue. Fill out any required forms online or request physical documents through customer service. Submit your upgraded policy application as instructed. Review the terms and conditions of the new policy carefully. Once approved, ensure you receive a digital or physical copy of your upgraded policy. Store your new insurance details in a safe and accessible place for future reference. Regularly review and assess your sports insurance needs to ensure you have adequate coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.